Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? I'm going to show you what a lock step looks like on the right foot and the left foot, starting with the right foot lock. I'm going to step forward on the right foot. I'm going to bring my left foot in behind my right heel, hit the toe, push forward. If I do the opposite, I'm going to step forward on my left foot. I'm going to bring the right toe in and I'm going to push off. So bring it in and push off. Now I'm going to go over and show you what a syncopated lock step looks like. Starting with my weight on my left foot, and I'm going to do one with my right foot. Then I will back up and show you one on the left foot side. This is what it looks like. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Back up. Now I'm going to do the opposite, where I'm going to step 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that is a syncopated lock step. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.